Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. Join me for a walk through the Home Depot Garden Center to check out their Fall October inventory. Look at all the pretty pumpkins. The fall mums. And the Croton. Very pretty. Beautiful purple mums. I love these bumpy pumpkins. So cute. You got style, baby. Got the white ones here. White pumpkins. Indian corn, $6.98. Nice fall color if you're decorating your porch or patio. Japanese silvergrass. Loving the texture on this plant. Hey, if you grew corn this season, save your corn stalks. You can decorate with those this fall. Also great built-in trellising for your fall peas. Let's check out Home Depot's colorful mums. All the beautiful fall mums. And these are annuals, which means they will die back. They do not overwinter well, but beautiful fall colors. Oh, that vibrant purple. Fall is an excellent time to plant Arborvitae, especially in climates with hot summers. The cooler fall temperatures and warmer soil provide ideal conditions for the tree to establish stronger roots before winter arrives. Take advantage of the bulk pricing. Perennials are the way to go. They come back every year. Money well spent. Gorgeous, gorgeous purple aster. Pinch back the stems in spring and early summer for bushier growth. Also this lovely sedum. Also coneflower, also known as echinacea, belonging to the daisy family. The dome-shaped central cone really stands out. The celosia is actually gorgeous, but I didn't pick it up. It is an annual in my zone 7B. Such a stunning color. It's heat tolerant as well. And the bees are all over it. I'll have to pick up some in the spring. Okay, if you're running out of time, head to Home Depot, grab you some romaine lettuce, some red romaine. A lot of these plants really need a home. They were dry. That ain't what you want. Bright light Swiss chard. The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. Water me, water me. I'm dry, I'm dry. I see Home Depot is well stocked on the rakes for raking up those fall leaves. Your fertilizing needs. Oh, she is gorgeous. She is gorgeous. I'm recording voiceovers because it is so noisy in this place. Fiddle-leaf Fig. Oh my gosh. My 3 cats would never let me have this plant. Whether you're looking for vibrant flowers to add a pop of color to your fall patio, pumpkins for carving, or trees to plant this season, I hope this video gave you some ideas for your home projects and decor. Also, a look at what's available right now in October at Home Depot. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.